So, just what will the first tranche of the India US trade deal achieve if it does indeed go through? Well, sources suggest it will achieve one part of the bilateral trade agreement. Remember, this has two key parts, and if the first tranche goes through, one key part will be achieved. Now, what does this include? This will include, sources suggest, the crucial part on reciprocal tariffs. Remember, the 50% reciprocal tariffs that were announced for India have been a key sticking point throughout. Well, that is likely to be addressed if indeed the first tranche of the US India trade deal goes through. Now, the India US trade deal, remember, has witnessed the sixth round of negotiations really that have been witnessed for this trade deal, with the last one being in October, and various talks, as well as whether formal or informal, is what NDTV has been reporting on and bringing you all details on, really. So, sixth round of negotiations so far, with the last one being in October that we have witnessed. And of course, that last one is what experts believe really indicated that tensions were easing. However, what is really interesting to note here is that now experts believe the crucial indicator of improving ties between India and the US has been the announcement of the first ever structured contract for the import of LPG from the US. Now, remember, this is interesting as this will see the United States supply nearly 10% of liquefied petroleum gas imports, and the change in this energy mix and the timing of it all, experts believe, is highly interesting as it will pave way for better trade ties with the US.